member for Edmonton Manning.
Madam Speaker, representatives of Open Door Canada came to Parliament Hill this week to highlight the 2023 World Watch List, the 50 most dangerous countries in which to live to be a Christian. More than 360 million Christians around the world are suffering high levels of persecution and discrimination. Last year, 5,621 Christians were killed for faith-related reasons. An additional 4,542 were detained without a trial, arrested, sentenced, and imprisoned. Christians are not only the ones who face persecution. Ahmadiyya Muslims in Bangladesh have also seen a recent increase in violence against their community, with homes torched and people killed, 2 dead and 100 injured, according to March 3rd this year reports. I call on all members of this House to recognize that freedom of religion and belief is a fundamental right, not just here in Canada, but around the world. Thank you, Madam Speaker.
The